Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful dot mandala in this board. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to exactly build trust with your audience, which is going to help you monetize your art. I'm keeping copper dot in the center. I'm keeping aqua green dots. What if I told you that you can build deep trust on Instagram with your audience without spending a single rupee on paid ads? Most people think growing your business on Instagram or building a business through Instagram requires running paid ads. But you know what is the real truth? I'm keeping tiny dots in aqua green. The real truth is, it is the trust that you build with your audience that builds the conversions into your students or into buyers. I'm keeping marine blue dots. When you do paid ads, it only brings the traffic. Paid ads does not help you build trust with your audience. You need to be doing something else. And the trust is free if you only know how to create it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to build trust with your audience. I'm sure you would be amused to know how to build trust with your audience using just your content, your voice, and your story. Absolutely no ad budget required. I'm keeping tiny dots in marine blue. I'm keeping swipes in aqua green. Let us now discuss about 5 different pillars of trust building. Pillar number 1 is you need to show up with consistency. If someone is going to see your content once in a month, they are going to forget you exist. But if you are showing up consistently through reels, through your posts, through your stories, people remember you. You will become more familiar. And the familiarity that you create will also create a lot of trust with your audience. Even if it is imperfect, still show up. The human presence builds a lot of trust and confidence with people. You should aim to post 3 reels a week, 3 to 5 stories a day, 1 carousel post or some value related post, if possible, every alternate day. The more you are consistent in showing up with all of these, the more you can build credibility with your audience. I'm keeping swipes in marine blue. Share proof in your social media. Even if it is very small, it's absolutely fine, but share. Trust doesn't require a big celebrity kind of a testimonial. Start with whatever social proof you have. Maybe a progress photo from your student, or a message that says, "Your video helped me so much," or a story about someone buying your art, or if you have sold and your client had displayed it on their wall and sends you a picture, you can share that. So basically, you need to show up. And when you show up with the social proof, you probably use this formula that I'm going to share with all of you now. Maybe you can say, this particular student joined with no experience, but 3 weeks later, here is her first dot mandala. You are not selling your product here, you are selling the possibility. I have already mentioned in one of my previous video, people don't buy product or services. People buy trust, connection, people buy transformation. I'm keeping copper dots. Now let me tell you what is pillar number 3 to trust building. Educate without gatekeeping. Let me explain what it is. You need to give away value that actually helps people, even before they actually think of paying you. Probably you can teach about how to choose the right dotting tools. Or if you are practicing some other art form, whichever is relevant to your art form, help people with that. Maybe you can show some light on how to avoid mistakes in your art form as a beginner. So that will build a lot of trust from the audience side. And if it is possible to you, you can also share some behind the scenes. When you give value freely, free of cost, people get this kind of an perception about you. If she is giving this much value for free, imagine what will her paid stuff be like. This is exactly called as content-based trust. Pillar number 4 is let your face and voice be all over the world, which means show up your face in social media. Let people hear your voice too. I'm keeping tiny dots in copper. Text-based content has its own limitations. But when people hear your voice, see your hands creating, and if they can also see your eyes lighting up while you speak, they trust you more. Maybe you can post a voiceover reel with your face once in a week, or probably a selfie video explaining your art and the philosophy behind your art. Or probably you can share a video about how are you packaging the artwork, or how would you like to teach, or how are you teaching. So do not hide yourself behind your art. I would say stand beside it. I'm keeping aqua green dots. And pillar number 5 is be real in your stories. Your stories are actually your reality show. And 99% of the time, that's exactly where the real connection happens. I'm walking the dots in aqua green. You can use your stories to share your day-to-day art practice. You can share and celebrate some small wins in your artistic journey. You can even talk about your emotional highs and lows in your creative journey. Or you can ask questions, do some polls, anything that you think will creatively engage your audience. People tend to trust what is not scripted, and stories are made exactly for that. Let me talk about one of my internship students named Ritika. She is a brush mandala artist who had less than 1,000 followers, and zero ad budget. You know what she focused on? Instead of focusing on boosting her posts, she focused on sharing progress of her own art. Or you can say she was sharing the progress of her own practice. She did her best to show her students the learning curve that they may have to go through to create stunning artworks. She recorded short reels about how her art helped with her mental health. She posted screenshots of testimonials, and she created a highlight and named it as Love Notes. Within 45 days of she doing all these small things in her Instagram, people who sent her DMs doubled, inquiring about her artwork, inquiring about her workshops, everything doubled. And as a result, she could sell 3 mandala artworks, and she got 2 confirmed enrollments. She got 2 confirmed enrollments into her live workshop. Isn't that amazing? All without running a single ad on her Instagram. Why? Because the trust that she created with her audience does all the magic which many people think that ads will do. You actually don't need ads to grow. You need connection, you need consistency, and you also need courage to show up with the real you. You know, Instagram also favors trust over traffic. And once you build that, sales and students will automatically follow. I'm keeping brushstrokes in marine blue. If you want help in building that trust, step by step, and a personalized strategy for that. It could be for the purpose of teaching or selling, or maybe for building your art as a brand. Anything it could be. I'm offering a mentorship based internship program. It's a 6 months program where I teach you how to build trust step by step with the personalized guidance from me for the period of 6 months. If you want to know more details about it, you can WhatsApp me the words internship and trust, and I'll share how to be part of my internship program. Let's grow your art with your heart and not paid ads. I'll keep aqua green dots. I'll keep brass dots in floral shape. I'll keep marine blue dots. I'm sure this mandala design and the message in this video are useful to you. Thank you for watching.